This is the Fifine Ampligame AM6 microphone, and while it has a couple of cool features, the main thing I want to test out is its noise canceling feature. So that's how it sounded on the desk using its stand. Now I'm holding it closer to my mouth, the way that it would be like on an arm, for example. When to mount it on an arm, you just unscrew it here and screw the arm to it. I've got the AC running in the background. I have a 3D printer running back there. Right now, noise cancellation is turned off, but let's turn that function on. Little button on the bottom, you just click it down, turns it right on, lights up, and well, it sounds muddier, doesn't it? It does cancel the noise out, so if that's important to you, it does work to do that, but also it does more when you just stop talking as well. All that noise just sort of drops to a lower floor. Just like that. Noise cancellation has been turned back off, so this is how the microphone sounds. In the room, I just have the 3D printer running, so you might hear that. Condenser microphones just generally pick up a lot of noise. It's just how they are. And so anything to help them do noise canceling, whether that be NVIDIA Broadcast, OBS's own noise suppression features, or a built-in function, is welcomed. It does have some cool RGB light up features. It has a knob on the front where you can dictate whether you hear your chat more than your game or your game more than your chat, which is a super useful function because if you're playing a game and you're in Discord and your friends are just yapping, you could just crank the knob over to the left to where it says game and you'll hear less of them, or just completely cut them out so you can focus on the game, or flip it the other way if you're like in between matches and just want to talk. Super neat feature. And if you're using headphones plugged directly into its 3.5mm port, you have knobs on the side for volume control to the headphones, as well as your own mic volume right on there. Full control, all built into this one mic. Got a pop filter integrated on there. It's about $50-$55 depending on sales. Not a bad deal. It does feel a little flimsy. It's not the most solid thing, but it feels good enough for the money. It has some nice features. What do you guys think?